Topic 2, calculating angles. Okay, so let's first look at our revision here. We have angles in a straight line, add to make 180 degrees. Okay, so we have one straight line here, the angle is 180 degrees. If we have two angles that make a straight line, can you see this is a straight line, 120 plus 60 makes 180. If we have a straight line here and we have three angles, this one, and this one, these three angles must make 180 degrees because they make a straight line. So for example, this could be 100, this could be 40, and this could be 40. 100 plus 40 plus 40 makes 180 because it makes a straight line. Now here we have a right angle. A right angle is half of a straight line. It's 90 degrees. Okay, and it looks like this. When you see this sign here, this means this is a right angle. So this is 90 degrees. Okay. Now I have two angles here. I have this x and I have 70 degrees. But you can see there is this sign here. This sign means it is a right angle, 90 degrees. So 70 plus x must make 90 degrees. So how do I find x? 90 minus 70 equals 20. So x must be 20. 20 plus 70 makes 90 degrees. Next one, we have a triangle. All triangles, the angles in a triangle add to make 180 degrees. Any triangle, every single triangle, the angles in the triangle add to make 180 degrees. So for example, we have this triangle, we have 100 degrees plus 40 makes 180. Okay, so all triangles add to make 180 degrees. And the last one, we have the exterior angle of a triangle, the angle on the outside. How do we find this one? We add the two interior angles. We add the two angles on the inside. Okay, so this angle on the inside plus this angle on the inside equals this angle on the outside. So 40 plus 45 makes 85. So this angle on the outside is 85 degrees. Okay, let's look at question 1. Using the figure, compute AOB. AOB, this angle here. Okay. Now, if we look at this line, this is a straight line. So these three angles must make 180 degrees because it's a straight line. Now, we know this one is 60. And we know this is 90 degrees. This sign means it is 90 degrees. So 90 plus 60 equals 150. Now, angle AOB, this one here, we have to do 150 plus this angle, it should make 180 degrees. So if I do 180 minus 150 equals 30 degrees. So angle AOB is equal to 30 degrees. And now let's check if we are correct. 60 plus 90 is 150. 150 plus 30 is 180. And this is a straight line, it makes 180 degrees. So 30 degrees is correct. Question 2, angle 5. So again, this is angle 5. But here, if we look at this straight line, this must make 180 degrees. Okay. Now we know 1 and 2 must make 90, because we see this sign here. This means 90 degrees. So 90 degrees plus this angle must make 180 degrees. 180 minus 90 equals 90 degrees. So this angle, angle 5, must be 90 degrees. 90 plus 90 makes 180. Number 3, determine the value of x. So if we look here, we can see this sign here. Now we know this sign means 90 degrees. So x plus 32 must make 90. So how do I find x? 90 minus 32 equals 58 degrees. Okay, so x must be 58 degrees. 58 plus 32 makes 90. Okay. Question 4, find n. Okay, there's different ways to do this question, but one way we could do this is this angle n is opposite to this angle here. They are opposite, vertical. Okay, they are vertical. They must be the same. Now I don't know this angle, but I can work out this angle. I can calculate it. So if this is 38 and this must be 90, 90 minus 38 is 52. So this angle here must be 52 degrees. Okay, 38 plus 52 equals 90. So 52 degrees, this is the same as angle n. So angle n must be 52 degrees. Question 5. Use the figure to determine the value of x. So we have to find x. So we can see this picture here. The shape it makes is a triangle. And we know triangles, the angles in a triangle add to make 180 degrees. So let's look at this sign here. This sign means it is 90. So we have 90 plus x plus 5x should make 180 degrees. So let's write that. 90 plus x plus 5x equals 180 degrees. Because these three angles should add to make 180. So 90 plus x plus 5x equals 180 degrees. I'm going to simplify this. 90 plus, how many x's do we have? We have 1x plus 5x, that's 6x. 90 plus 6x equals 180 degrees. Now I will minus 90 from both sides. Minus 90, minus 90. This will cancel. So we have 6x equals 180 minus 90 equals 90. This is 6 times x, so I will divide by 6. Divide by 6. X equals 90 divided by 6 is 15. So x equals 15 degrees. Question 6. Find the measures of angle A and B. Okay, so I'm going to look at A and B. The angle that I see that's the easiest to do is angle B first, because angle B is on a straight line and I have the other angles, so I can work out angle B. Okay, so we have a straight line here. A straight line makes 180 degrees. Okay, so we have 45 plus 55 plus b makes 180 degrees. Okay, so 45 plus 55 is 100. 100 plus b makes 180. So b must be 80. Okay, b is 80 degrees. 100 plus 80 makes 180. So b is 80. Now if b is 80, now we have a triangle. And we know triangles make 180 degrees. So 80 plus 75 plus a should make 180 degrees. 80 plus 75 plus a equals 180 degrees. 80 plus 75, 155. Plus a makes 180. So what is a? 180 minus 155. A is equal to 25 degrees. Okay, 155 plus 25 is 180. So A is 25 degrees. Question 7 is a little different. We have to find K. Now in this triangle we have two marks like this, two lines. This means this side is the same and this side is the same. It also means this angle is the same and this angle is the same. Okay, so let's work out this angle first. 110 and we have this angle. They are on a straight line, so it makes 180 degrees. 110 plus 70 makes 180. So this angle is 70. Okay, if this is 70, this is the same. This is 70 degrees. Okay, so we have 70 plus 70, 140 degrees. And K, 140 degrees plus K must make 180 degrees. So 180 minus 140 equals 40 degrees. So K is 40 degrees. 70 plus 70, 140 plus 40 makes 180, because angles in a triangle must make 180 degrees.